This was the finding from Minnesota. Yeah. That's why they have it blocked off over here. Because I think people try to keep going over here. No mosquitoes so far. Yeah. Yeah, that's why they have this blocked off over there. There's so much properties over here. Or they're doing construction. Well, where is there a rattlesnake here? There's no rattlesnake. We're in Minnesota. We don't want to go in the woods here in Louisiana. Because you know what's in the woods there? Copperheads. And copperheads are not nice. My brother's like, what about Wrong Turn? You know Mason used to scare me, tried to scare me every time? He'd act like the frickin' Wrong Turn guy. I'm like, really? You know that's just a frickin' movie. It's not real. What was that? I mean, it's nothing. It's just bugs.